Hi, this is Vanessa Joy here with Adorama TV, and we're talking about 6 things that your photography website must have. Number 1, I want to be clear about real estate on your website. The top right corner of your website, that's like the good real estate. That's where everybody's eye just goes to. So some kind of call to action should be there. Something like contact us, or here's where you get your free quote or free download, or whatever it is. I think if you look at my website, it says check your date, at least right now, but we're going through a rebrand. So make sure that upper right hand corner that has your call to action. Number 2 is you have to talk about what the heck you do. A really good book about this is Story Brand by Donald Miller, and he talks about creating a brand message, which is just you communicating to whoever's on your website about what it is that you do. But you have to do it really simply. And the way that you think about it is that you want to be able to repeat your brand message like a Neanderthal. So think of it this way. I'm a wedding photographer. I need a Neanderthal to be able to look at it and go, oh, she shoot wedding. She take wedding photos. So you need a super clear brand message. Number 3, you want to have an about section, but don't make it this long, blabbery novel. I mean, yes, sometimes clients like to read that, but today most people just want bullet points. So make your about section bullet points about you, things that seem relevant. Go back to the branding videos about, what you should put in the About Me section to be relevant and all of that. Number 4 is we're going to call Mark Wallace, and Mark Wallace is going to talk to us about what he thinks that your photography website needs. So let's give him a call real quick while I stand in the mud. Ew. Hey Mark, tell me about photography websites.
So there are a few places you can go to build a website. Squarespace, right off the top of my head, Livebooks, and then WordPress. So if you're a little bit tech savvy and you want to own the look and feel and be able to change it anytime you want, you want to put your good stuff, your best stuff in your portfolio, not all your stuff, and mix it up so people, when they look at your portfolio, they understand that you have a wide variety of experience, that you've worked with a lot of different people, because nothing shouts amateur like one model posted in different poses over and over and over again. So Instagram is a good place to build your portfolio, but I don't think it necessarily replaces an actual photo website. And the reason for that is on Instagram, you can't easily put contact information about yourself. It's just so limited just in that little couple sentences on your portfolio. You can't really customize it. You can't add a blog. Posting videos longer than a minute right now, that's not something you can do. So there's just a lot of things that you probably want to do on your own website that you can't do on Instagram. So use Instagram to feed people to your normal website, and vice versa, keep people engaged. But those two things should work as a team. So one is not necessarily mutually exclusive over the other.
Love it. Thank you so much. I know you are a busy guy traveling all around the world on your motorcycle, so this has been great. Thank you so much. All right, moving on. Number 5, you want to make it easy to contact you. So have a contact button on every page, top right, because that is your most valued real estate. It's where people kind of automatically go. If you have a contact form on your website, give them the option of just emailing you, because maybe they like that better, calling you, because maybe they like that better, and filling out a contact form. And if you do a contact form, make it very easy to fill out. Don't ask too many questions. You need the barrier of entry to be as low as possible to get them to contact you. Some of them will see a long form, too many things to fill out on a contact form, and they just won't contact you. So you don't want that. The last thing we have to talk about are the images on your website. I know we talked about this before in one of the previous videos. I want to really stress this. Your portfolio, you should have a couple of different galleries, if you do different styles of photography, or if you're just an event photographer, maybe you break up like engagement sessions, detailed photos, and wedding moments of the couple. For gosh sakes, you probably need to, and I need to, cut down the number of images by half. No one's looking through them all, and you want to have these 10 to 15 hero images that they're gonna see, so that you end up creating a brand around it and they recognize those images. Really, really important that they recognize your photography. I hope that you have been having fun. We are almost done with this series here on Adorama TV. Tell me in the comments some of the things that you think a website needs and whether or not you have it on your website. I am Vanessa Joy, and I will see you guys next time here on Adorama TV. Thanks for joining me on this 10-week marketing course here on Adorama TV. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell so you don't miss a thing. Don't forget to leave comments. Tell me how these things are working for you or aren't working for you, and I will do my best to answer them, give you new suggestions, and really follow along this entire course. So leave the comments, hold the hate, because quite frankly, you're somebody that I don't know, and you're taking shots at me like it's Patron. I ain't trying to mess with your self-expression, but I learned a lesson that stressing and obsessing about somebody else is no fun. Uh-oh.